Hey, it's Hiker Dude Dad. We are in Pine Grove State Fern. Pine Grove. Shit. It's Hiker Dude Dad. We are in Pine Grove Furnace State Park, right on the Appalachian Trail outside of the famous general store here. This is we're close to the halfway point on the AT, and this is a tradition for people to come in here and do the half-gallon ice cream challenge on the trail. So I am in the process of losing weight, and I have not earned half-gallon of ice cream yet, because I have not even come close to doing the trail. So maybe when I do the PA part, maybe I'll treat myself to a pint, but half-gallon, no way. Anyway, we're going up to Sunset Rocks here, another overlook. Should be fun. Jay's here again, and yeah, we'll check it out. Okay, so we've left the road. Well, there's spots where the AT is blazed on telephone poles, but now we're starting to climb up to Sunset Rocks, so we're on gravel now, and should be a little, I think it's two miles up and back. So a lot of little hunting cabins out here, which is pretty nice. Definitely walking through the cabin district up here. Couple dirt roads leading off to the side, so I guess people are driving up and using these cabins. Mental note, it'd be pretty nice to have a cabin up here someday. That would be awesome. Slow and steady uphill here. Alright, so we came out of the AT there. The AT continues this way. There's a little stream here, it looks like. If it's like anything else recently, it's almost dry. Don't really need the bridge here, but cool little bridge. But here's the intersection for Sunset Trail, so Sunset Rocks Trail. So came out from the path straight ahead, and it would be right here. It's been pretty easy so far. There's a little climbing at the beginning, and then we went downhill. So at this point we climb to the overlook. So looks like it's a southern facing overlook, so we'll see how it is. Never been here, and that's why we do this. This is a pretty steep section. I'm trying to hold the camera level. Yeah, it's been a climb. I don't usually like to stop halfway up a trail like this, but yeah, it's a butt kicker. I think we're almost there though.
Yeah.
So the trail came up here and split. This way, still blue blazed. Said is the way to the view. But it looks like the whole ridge up here, like it came up and it was like a T. I think you could go either way. All Trail said the Sunset Rocks was to the right, westerly, but the view sign says it's to the east, so we have to go back that way to get our trail down. So I figure we'll come out this way, check it out, and if not, we're going back that way anyway. We'll go a little farther, see what we can find.
Let's check out this view real quick.
Yeah, it seems like there's rocks all the way along this ridge here. Good old Rocksyllvania Trail here. It's just absolute boulders. Just yeah, just painted on rocks. Yeah, so you definitely have to pass Dickhead Rocks to get to Sunset Rocks. Wow. Can't believe what passes for a trail in Pennsylvania sometimes, but good stuff. Doing a little rock climbing. I have no idea if we're far enough or if we're anywhere where we need to go right now. The maps aren't loading, connections are real bad up here. So about a 10-foot little drop here. We gotta negotiate, but definitely some steps. I think we're gonna go over this guy.
I didn't see that.
Come on this way. And Jay thought we were going all the way down there, but I think this is
big rain.
it. And this seems sort of passable. This is fun. Plenty of signs about rattlesnakes. So definitely looking where we put our hands and stuff. Not too far from the alleged overlook though. Hopefully right over here somewhere. So it's kind of unspoken, but it seems to be a easier blue trail down that way. And then this is also marked along the rocks here. So Jay's gonna go down that way. I'm coming this way because it's Friday. If we ever get to anything resembling an overlook, we've got lunch and beers. Oh, he beat me, of course, but holy crap. I don't see anything like the Pole Steeple outlook here. Tell me in the comments, I guess, if I've missed everything here. Sunset Rocks just seems like a climby, bouldery thing without a real good overlook. The outlook is no damn views, but I mean, we're totally along a ridge here with a big drop, but I don't know. Pole Steeple kind of spoiled me, I guess. So this is the last possible thing that I think could be construed as Sunset Rocks.
Yeah, is it?
So, not terribly impressive, but we are gonna plop down here and eat some lunch, drink a beer.
Use a chair.
You know, I forgot to throw my chair in. I was going to when I took the stove out.
Well, do you want to go back to a campsite so there's rocks, or?
Nah.
There?
Yeah, so this is our underwhelming view. We just had some lunch, had a beer, and probably time to get on out of here. Yeah, I mean, there was kind of a view up there, but I don't know. Sunset Rocks, kind of a bust for us.
I think there would be beautiful views in different seasons.
Yeah, maybe in the fall when the leaves are down, maybe you can see from up there, but right now, and everything's green, not much going on. So now we're going to do the very steep descent and probably be back to the cars in like 5 minutes, and it took us like an hour to get up here. Yeah, but hey, thanks for watching. If you like the videos, please like it, subscribe, click that little bell thing. Jay likes his notifications when the movies go up, so
Smash subscribe.
hit the bell, and we're gonna keep doing this, so take it easy.